Hello. In this chapter, we will see the introduction to the machine learning and key learning tasks and applications and basic definitions and terminology. So, first of all, we start with the introduction to machine learning. Basically, machine learning can be broadly defined as a computational methods using experience to improve performance or to make accurate predictions. It's mean machine learning is used to make the accurate predictions. But how we can make those predictions? Using some experience. So now, and question arise, what is computational method? So it is just algorithms that we write in order to get a solution. Here, experience refers to the past information available to the learner, which typically takes the form of electronic data collected and made available for the analysis. This data could be in the form of digitized human labeled training sets or other type of information obtained via interaction with the environment. In all cases, its quality and size are crucial to the success of the predictions made by the learner. For example, here they are going to give you an example that our learning problem is how to use a finite sample of randomly selected documents, each labeled with a topic, to accurately predict the topic of unseen document. Clearly, the larger is the sample, the easier is the task. But the difficulty of task also depends on the quality of the labels assigned to the document in the sample, since the labels may not be all correct and on the number of possible topics. So we can say that basically machine learning is consist of designing efficient and accurate prediction algorithm. Yes, here the main point that we know about what is machine learning is that machine learning is basically when you are able to design efficient and accurate prediction algorithm. So, in other areas of the computer science, some critical measures of the quality of these algorithms are their time and space complexity. Yes, whenever you want to see the performance of any algorithm, you can take the time or the space complexity. But in machine learning, we will need additionally a notion of sample complexity. Yes, because sample is consist of the inputs and the outputs that we are giving to the algorithm in order to make the predictions over the unseen data. So sample complexity also matters. So to evaluate the sample size required for the algorithm to learn a family of concepts. Yes, this is the very important point, that how you will know that what should be the sample size for the specific family of concept that algorithm will learn. So what should be the sample size we need to give the algorithm? In any other computer science field, when we have any algorithm, we just give the inputs, we apply the algorithm and we get the output. But in case of machine learning, we give the samples consist of the inputs and the output. Then algorithm will learn that for unseen data, if inputs are given, then how it will produce the output for that unseen data. So here sample complexity also matters. More generally, theoretical learning guarantees for an algorithm depend on the complexity of the concept classes considered and the size of the learning sample. Okay, so we can say that learning guarantees for an algorithm, like algorithm will learn this concept class, it depends on the complexity of the concept class as well, like what concept class is under discussion and the size of training sample. So, since the success of the learning algorithm depend on the data used, machine learning is inherently related to the data analysis and statistics. More generally, learning techniques are data-driven methods combining fundamental concepts in computer science with ideas from statistics, probability, and optimization. Thank you.